Do I need to replace my trim? Maybe I want to add trim. Let's break it down.
King windows, we knock out the weather.
One of the most common questions we get when replacing windows is, do I have to replace my trim? Maybe I want more trim. So we get that all the time. So I want to show you a couple of things here. First, I want to start off with what each piece of trim is called, so we're on the same page, right? This right here, the picture frame, that's casing. Casing goes on the face. The other part is the jamb, and I'll show you that right now. All right, so this is the casing that I just pointed out over there, and this right here is the jamb. So you have the jamb and the casing, but the whole thing is called trim. This is the trim package for this window. Jamb, casing. All right, so now that you know what the different pieces of the trim are called, let me tell you how it works. So this is generally how we find a window, and it's just drywall. And that's drywall that's rolled in, and they do the return straight to the window. Some people like to add in the trim. Totally fine. In fact, we have a little bit of it over here. So this is just the casing, because when we use the wood windows, the Windsor windows, we can actually, the jamb of the window, the thickness of the window there, we can actually customize. So you have, this is a window is cased out. It is a service that we do provide. So if you would like your windows trimmed out, cased out, we can do it. Mostly on patio doors, almost every patio door we install, we change out the casing here. So we're gonna put in some nicer brand new casing, you know, brand new casing around a brand new door. We thicken up the casing a little bit, has a nice elegant look to it. And it's not just the interior side that you need to worry about. Let's go outside. All right, now we're on the outside of the house here. These are all the different patio doors, or some of the patio doors that we offer, but we also changed up the trim on these just to show you a couple of different options. This is, since it's just on the face, it's just picture framing it, it is the casing. So this is a pattern right here. We run straight into it. Very simple. Some people like that look right there. Others want a little bit more of a unique look to it, maybe a craftsman style. So we'll cut it like this, makes sense. And then the most common is right here, just a simple mitered edge. So I trim up the majority of the windows in my house too. I just think it has a really nice look to it. I think it's a finished look. You know, less drywall, more character. That's what I like about trim. Let me show you a couple of different options here. We can also do the windows. So the exterior of the windows, right here, this is the same trim, basically the same trim that's around the patio doors. We order this as composite. So it's a composite. You're never gonna have any issues with it. It's not like a pine that you pick up at the big box store that after a while it could crack and warp and stuff like that. This will last forever, and so that's why we use this composite here. And then there's also another option that if you like the frame but you want it to be more part of the window, let me show you that. This is what it looks like without trim on there of any kind. This is just, the stucco goes right up to it. Let me show you what the trim. Here's another look here. So you have no trim here. This is just a regular block frame. Right here is the stucco flange. So this becomes part of the window. So it thickens up the window. Some people really like the look of that thick stucco flange around the outside of it. Gives it, you know, an elegant look. Definitely has a nice, unique look to it. This right here would just be painted. So this is the sealant that's around the outside, and that would just be painted, and it'll look all nice and perfect. So to recap, first thing, make sure the company you choose is using the correct materials that are going to last as long as the window will. So that's obviously kind of important. Another thing that I would like to point out is that trim does not cost a whole heck of a lot more. Have fun with it. Have some pictures ready. Hey, can you do this? We probably can. And so let us know. Customize it and have fun. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming. There's tons of information out there, and AI might miss the mark. But our free window buyer's guide, backed by 25 years of experience, makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure Desert King Windows is on your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.